what I'm packing or the world tour? Let's get to the details.
Mine is a dog.
Approximately Schumacher. Okay, this is what I figured out. Let's see if it fits. And let's do a little bit of recap. So I bought these packing cubes, which are apparently the biggest hack of all the travelers. And I'm taking 2 jackets. Yes, for Africa might not even be necessary, but you never know, you don't want to be cold. Then 2 types of hoodies. Something more, so I think I'm gonna give a scarf, which is super handy to have a scarf, especially in the Muslim countries. It's important to be aware of the countries where you are going and all different religious and restrictions that are going with it. So this is very important, very useful. And then I'm going to put there some kind of sports t-shirt. Okay, we should be good with this. Now I'm going to zip it. So the packing cube, not only it helps you to organize your clothes, and this is probably a cube that I'm not going to be needing the soonest. It's going to go on the bottom. But also it helps to compress a bit the clothes, which saves you a bit of space. There is also a rolling technique that we might use for another cube. But let's see. So another category of clothes would be my pants, which are probably going to be for the smallest cube. So one safari pants, leggings, kinds of long loose pants. These are like originally pyjama, but I really enjoyed wearing them in Senegal. In the evening, that's when the mosquitoes come out. You need to wear like long pants, but it's still hot, so this is a very good solution for that. These are being more funny. I really cannot imagine wearing the same clothes for a year. And biking shorts. The medium size should be good for the t-shirts. So let's start with the long ones. So this one is turtleneck. It's very like thin, so it's not gonna be so warm in it, but it's good for the mosque or the places where you have to be really covered. Then I have 2 other for a long sleeve. So a loose one, classical black one. Here are like sports bras and a crop top. Like some cute ones. Basically, I was trying to keep the colors kind of the same for the washings. So there's just like a colorful and black. There is nothing white, which is something that we discovered already with some of our trips when you're doing laundry and you mix them, or you don't have enough of white, or in general you're doing laundry in like places where it's not ideal. Your white t-shirt is going to be beige, so there's no point taking white. It gets dirty super quickly. And then I have 1, 2, 3 4 basic black t-shirts. So most of the time I'm going to be black on black on black. It can go, it can go. There's a little fade in me. There's a little fade in me. Okay, and another hack is to pack in your big backpack, smaller backpack, which is good for like a day trips. And here we're gonna pack the rest, so it's shirts and dresses. So you can start with a dress, simple black dress, kind of t-shirt style. We're gonna fold it twice. Then we have like the combination of like the bottoms, shorts, top. This is going to go here. Now on the side we're going to put the shirts. So this is like super good material, thin shirt that is like this, so it's also culturally appropriate. A safari shirt that really holds the shape and never gets really wrinkled in the luggage, which I love. I mean, I have quite a lot of shirts, but they are going to be very handy. Shh, Angelo! You jealous that I'm packing and I'm not packing you? Come here, little sugar. Come here. And the last one is my horse shirt. Voila! Let's see how it's all gonna fit in here. Another thing that I'm gonna put in the backpack is the typical Decathlon towel, all my underwear, okay. Let's be practical. So first we're gonna put down the cube with the jackets, the one that we're never gonna use. Then the two small ones are actually gonna fit like this. Okay. And now on the top, we're gonna put the small backpack. So as I said, here we still have some space for the cosmetics. And for the shoes, well, these are the shoes I'm going to be wearing. They are like kind of sporty salon shoes. And here are the sandals that are for the hot weather, good for the water. These will have to fit in here.
Just a reminder, don't forget to pack the boyfriend because he has all the important things. As you can see, I am just the clothes.
Hey! So this is everything I'm packing for the world tour. Hiking boots. Probably gonna be wearing them with me. Backpack and fanny pack. The fanny pack has basically everything that I always keep with me, so passport, money, some earphones, chewing gum and whatnot. And here, what do we have? We have a day pack. So super convenient when you need to carry like up to 10 liters. And inside I have like the stuff that I often need, so a charger, some glasses, stuff like this. I have some sandals for the sea when it's hot, maybe for the bathrooms. Sandals. Here I have some packing cubes. One with sweaters, pants, then another one with a cap and all my t-shirts. I'm actually packing 4 of everything. No, I mean 4 in the backpack and 1 that I'm carrying, so I have 5 of like underwear, socks and t-shirts. That's my rhythm. I have a jacket, so a rain jacket, a wind like kind of proof thing, and a warm jacket because we don't know where we're gonna go, so I feel like it's convenient to have both. A Decathlon towel, an IT pouch where we have like some hard drive, external battery, my mouse, and some accessories. We have some anti-mosquito spray, a journal and a drawing pad, my cosmetics, first aid kit, some games, the rain cover, a compass and a survival blanket, you never know, some light, this turtleneck, super convenient, I use it all the time, my underwear and socks. And if we open here, what do we have? We have a light straw bottle, so super useful. When the water isn't so clean, you just like drink everything from here. You're supposed to be safe. And here I store my computer, my ebook reader, and this GoPro actually. And this is everything. And this is all the medications, so all the drugs we've had for the last years. We just put them all here, so if we need something, hopefully it's in there. But this is it.